Mother duck said, quack, 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 over the hill. But only four little ducks came back.
Only four little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but the mother duck told their babies to come back. Oh, where did they go today? Over the hill and far away. Four little ducks went out to roam. They waddled off but lost their way home. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but the mother duck calling their babies to come back. Oh, where did they go today? Over the hill and far away. Three, then two, then one was gone. The hill was quiet, the day fell on. Mother duck cried, quack, quack.
Mother duck said,
Not
quack,
all her
quack,
little ducks came back.
but only four little ducks came back.
Over the hill and far away, she called quack, quack with all her heart, and all four ducks came running back.
Quack, 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 quack.